From the Wisconsin Taxpayers Alliance, Thursday, November 10th, 2011. A brief interview with Dale Knapp, Research Director. Mr. Knapp, property tax bills will be coming out soon. What does that mean for property owners?
Well, for many, it's going to mean a combination of disappointment and confusion. Talk of a property tax freeze last spring led most to understand that their property taxes weren't going to change. But most will see some increase, although that jump will be much smaller than it has in past years.
Taxpayers heard lawmakers in Madison arguing over tax growth. What did lawmakers actually accomplish?
There have been levy limits and other property tax limits in place for a number of years, and lawmakers took those limits and tightened them, essentially slowing property tax growth overall, but not really freezing them, leaving levies unchanged from one year to the next.
So what did lawmakers do to control property taxes?
Well, for schools who are bound by revenue limits, in other words, the amount of money that they can collect from a combination of property taxes and state aids, they reduced those revenue limits for the first time in the history of the limits. For municipalities, they reduced the levy limits from 3% to 0%, but left in place the allowance for new construction. So municipalities can still increase their levies by the rate at which new construction is taking place in their community. And for technical colleges, they are limited to either last year's levy or last year's rate.
So will property taxes be unchanged?
Well, overall, they won't be. There will be increases, for example, in communities that have new construction going on. For schools, there can be increases or decreases depending on how the reduced revenue limits and state aid work together. And there are exceptions, especially to the levy limits. Municipalities can increase their debt and increase property taxes to pay for that. So when you look at things overall, increases are expected to be about 1.7% statewide, but that's down from the 2.5% to 6% increases over the last 5 years. So it's a below average increase, but it's not really a freeze.
What's the bottom line on property taxes for 2012?
Well, in the face of a struggling economy, slower growth in property taxes will be welcomed by many taxpayers. They just have to understand that what lawmakers did this spring was not a freeze.
Thank you, Mr. Knapp. That's Dale Knapp, Research Director of the nonprofit, nonpartisan Wisconsin Taxpayers Alliance. For more information, go to www.wistax.org. That's www.wistax.org.